want to do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Killer voice. Tell them, man a bad man, so we not. Money boy! Them need to stay far from we. Boom boy inna. Mr. H0T. Hey. Attacking boss. One team. One dream. One scheme. One new link. And there could never be no other. Only one new link. Well, my viewers and subscribers, you know. All I have to say now, my people. Them look fishy thing ya. You know what I mean? Them look Betty man thing ya. Them, I am to them. No, I really, what am to them? Eh? What really I go on with people? Because now, this story I reached to the attacking boss of people. Zin, start today now, for the Monday I know my people. Say early this morning, you know what I mean, close to 5 o'clock in the morning. In a Jamaica in a park in a St. Andrew, my people, them say on Robert Crescent in a crossroad area, my people. You have this local cross-dressing thing, my people. You understand? In a pike heel boot, you know what I mean? And in a all sort of thing, my viewers and subscribers. And them say it did it. You know what I mean? On the corner, chilling, relaxing. You know what I mean? So when you see the same thing, you mean yourself say, what? But guess what now, my people? He's a local boy. Did it? And a sell. Matty. Yeah, a sell. Matty. Cross-dressing thing. In a dress, in a wig, and in a pike heel boat, my people. 19-year-old on the corner. Well, based on info I read to my people, a whole heap of them did it. All over New Kingston then there. Plenty of them said it. They are them corners the people. Them say straight man buy it, bad man buy it. All type of people buy it from them people. Zin, based on info me I get. So, them say this same thing did it now my people. Ready? Gear up. You know what I mean? If you do him look up. Thing on thing my people. When him look one car, pull up, drive up beside him. When the car pull up now my people, driver must talk to him. You do business? Driver say, yeah man, business. The driver say, which part? Me have a look a place around there so I can't carry you going. I want to look a guest house so that's so me always go do my thing. Just say, hey. Alright, forward now. Roll. Them said carry roll with them the people and a drive. Then the driver say, yo, whatever talk, just say, yo, let me see in your bag. Give me the bag. That I look a handbag here upon him now. No, I mean I give my bag. Where you want my bag for, sir? Them say the driver stay say, boom, wheel out him thing, my people. I say, what me say, give me the bag. Driver have him strapping. Him did not. Boom. One in him grind under so where they cock them, my people. Them say they get him baller. Wee. I start cry like a. Then say, make a move, my people, pull the door. Jump out and run this till he find himself a honest guest house for people and go over there and start ball. And start crying this and that until the people must see it. And take it fling in a car and go dash it down the hospital down there so police come and see now or something. Driver gone about him busy with people. Based on info me I get my people and I force them to do it. But I force him ever get gone. You understand? And I force them to rob him because them say the other one them who did it. Who rather cross up something them not like that one. Yeah. Because that one recently company car and that one like it a go on with a bag of thing. You know what I mean? It a take a lot of them food. So them no want it around there. So right now them feel good when this happen to you. A lot of them say I did it, should I did. My people. In our beautiful country called Jamaica. You know when we go certain place and them say, yo boy, Jamaica is a country when they play now. And Jamaica na support them thing, the Jamaica na play them thing, what. On a real scale, we know where country go. And you know so we not support them thing there. But I won't leave them thing there in our country, you know. You know what I mean, the people? Because I travel a lot of country in the Caribbean. And honestly, me can drive round and round and go up on corner and go up on road. And I will never see them thing alive on the street, my people. So the man have no lane or no corner upon the road or in a town where you can go find them so they must sell them business there so. Me say me go whole heap of place. Zin? Me not go say whole heap of country them thing and I go on. But all I'm saying to people, with Jamaica and the rate of how we steer. And when people talk about Jamaica, them talk about badness, especially in a Kingston and St. and John, them something them people mobby. And at them places you go find so whole heap of them look nasty, same thing at them people. Yo, a straight attack. A straight attack and nobody not tell me nothing. Because the Almighty not support it. So why should I? Attack for that. And any boy who want to turn around and go fling on them cross up, sit down and go fling dirty thinking wig on their head. And go put on thinking pike heel boot. And put on dress and this and that and about them and sell this and sell that. Look here. All me have to say, attack phone on it for come down. Come down and go find yourself over so and party we around so. Zin, come down. Zin? And a whole heap of straight people act like them straight and real enough people. Them a buy up them thing and someone up, yo, I dead enough for dead. I just straight attack people and I not stop attack them because of nastiness. A nastiness. Zin? Nastiness. Eh? People them say the driver wheel up him thing because the baggage I want no money, because them say basically everything I go on in my people. I want to go pro box, Zin? And them say this pro box license plate is nothing like no taxi or nothing. Like a private thing it have. You see me? And the man comes and man that one done in the grind where he got they done to some people. Say ball out and jump and run. And when he shot bite him and he could run them when they could drop and they get so step right there some people and say what they them do to it my people. Eh? Yo, I tell you this yo 19-year-old. Eh? What kind of growth under? What kind of mentally and what's something in for your brain? So what kind of juice breed all for your mother? What kind of bad juice your daddy letting for your mother that bring something for you on earth? Make at the age of 19, you the pan road in a Jamaica say you a sell back part. Eh? Jaja sees, Jaja knows NEWLINK. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. People, we in a trouble and we in a problem. You understand? We in a problem. But you know with that one you know, at least for a while. I'm not care nobody wants to say one less off of the street for a while. But people, as I see it so, cause look you know, them say at the grind part, you know. Him get the car, you know, people. But you know them go. When I go do, them I go pad it up and whatever them do my people and plaster it up. But the back road around there, so still around there, so them still gone out, they gonna do this. Me say people, eh? Jaja, come for your world. Come for your world. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, more blessings, and a one attacking boss. One scheme, one team, one dream. Attack!